Hello everyone, welcome once again. Now I want us to just do a very simple design, maybe Independence Day celebration. It's not really, uh, just take note of this, it's not because of any political fallacy or whatever. Every content you're going to see is just my own concept. I'm just trying to use it to teach you something, all right? It is not because of political whatsoever, all right? So this is just about graphic design. So I thought we have to just make a design for today being the Nigerian independence, although we're not independent, but you just have to design, is it not? So I don't have any reference material for this design, but you will use the reference material to give me exactly what I designed. Okay, now I'm going to design from my head, and not only that, okay, just take notes. There are a lot of beautiful templates here, so you're going to choose one, probably the first one, and then change your background. Just do what I'm going to do now. Myself, I always like to choose this first one by the left, because I would always delete the things there and then start from scratch. All right, by the time you join the masters, I'm going to give you this particular app. This is the premium app. You can't get it in Google Play Store, the premium. So I'll give it to you so you can be able to design using some of these templates. It will help you, all right? So now let's proceed. The first thing I'm going to do, I'll try, okay, I have already removed background from some of the materials I'm going to use. So in your time, do the same thing and as well get them on board. So let me start with this flag. Okay, you already know how to get something from your gallery. So maybe after the second one, I'll have to be pausing the video when I want to pick something from the gallery so that the video will not be so lengthy. Okay, so now I'm cropping this image, removing all the blips to use the main image. Well, now let us resize them, make it very big. Okay, this is the image. Now if we keep this image here, it is taking major part of the canvas, so that is not good. All right, and there's one other thing I want to teach you, how to place image. Okay, I think that will be in the master's class. Yes, so just do what I'm doing. This is the image. I'm going to distort it, and I'm going to use this particular button here to distort it. Drag it and bring it very closer. Like this is good. So we take it to the extreme. Yes, it looks good there, and then we lock it. Good. Now watch. If you want to bring something from your gallery, you click on the plus sign up here, the left place. Then you click from gallery and then go to where your file is to locate it. Okay, so I think the next thing I'm going to choose now, let me choose this map, Nigerian map, and then okay, I think it's good here. Yes, the Nigerian map is good there. Now let me go to opacity and reduce it. Let's reduce it to 25. 25 is good. So we lock it. Just be taking note of what I'm doing. Now let me go to the gallery and bring other items. All right. Okay, now this is the Nigerian coat of arm. So I have to resize and bring it down. Let me check the relative size. Okay, let's make it 16 or 1512. 1512 is better. All right, so let's take it up. Let's take it up and then centralize it here. Centralizing, I mean, is with the flag. I mean with the map, right? So it is good there. So let us lock it. Okay, so let me bring out a shape, resize the shape, just resize the shape like this. Yeah, then give it a color. Now I'm going to teach you how to pick color, from a material. That is, if you are unable to see, if you don't see the color from here, how to pick color. So now look at this plus sign here. Click on that plus sign. Click on this this color dropper, or color picker rather. Then choose the material you want to pick color from. Tap on that area and then mark, say okay. So are you seeing that the shape I chose now is now pure green? Yeah, so let's bring it down. Let's go to relative size and make the length smaller to 20. I think that should be good. And then we'll bring it up here. Okay, now just watch. I want to surprise you. Now this is my text. I'll remove this and then write happy. Let's go to fonts. The fonts I'm going to use are fonts you can easily find in your PixelLab. But PixelLab does not really have a lot of fonts. So in the master's class, I'm going to give you access to downloading fonts, a lot of fonts, beautiful fonts. So let's use Arm Wrestler and say okay. And the text size should be, let's make it 55. And then we'll give it a green color too. So let's shift it here. I copy that, edit, and put independence. Okay, I also copy that and put Nigeria. Okay, happy independence, Nigeria. Now I've gotten the text, the first set of texts I want. I shifted them. Okay, so let me bring up what again should I add now before I make it white? Okay, let me add another shape. So let's bring this shape like this here. Let's bring up this shape like this here. Following the code of arm, we can do something like this. Something like this. Okay. Yes, we can do something like that. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's good like that. So now that is good, but I think it's bigger somehow. Okay. Now let us go. I'm going to remove the opacity entirely and then go to strokes and make the strokes to be up to 5 and then give the stroke color green. Please follow me. And then I'll say okay. Now watch what I'll do. This happy, I'll bring it up on top of this shape, okay, and then give it a text background, okay, and the text background will be white, okay. So let us place it here. Okay, it's bigger. Let's bring the text size down. Text size to 50. Yes, 50 is good. So let us go and reposition it very well. Okay, good. Now the independence can be at the middle here. Can be at the middle here. Then Nigeria can also be under here, but I'm going to make it fit here too. All right, so this is it. Okay, so let's get another test, which is a quote that I want to use for this design. I have it already, so in your time just copy and then use. This is the test. And then let's center align it. Center align it. Okay, after center alignment, let's go to the font. And then the font we're going to use is Boogaloo Regular. Boogaloo. Alright, so Boogaloo Regular. Let's go to the text size and bring it down to 20. Wait, let me edit this and remove that. Make that Peter Obi to come down. Please observe all these things. Okay, Peter Obi. So this is it now, alright? For the last one I want to add is 1st of October. 1st of October 1 ST, then October. We are still going to use that arm wrestler. Yes, this is it. And the center alignment too. Now let's position it down here. Okay, and give it a color as green. And then let me shift the two of them. Mark this one and mark the 1st of October. Click on this place and then shift. Okay, this is correct. So let's change this text to black. Black. And now let's go to background and change the color to white. Whoa! How do you see this? This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Now you are going to do the same thing, going to replicate something like this exactly, and then send it to me in the group. All right. You can go ahead as well, share it on the social media, but make sure you observe the things I did, follow it sequentially how I did it. Happy Independence, Nigeria. All right. So after what do now is once you're done, you just click on this place. After saving as project, you save as image. First of all, click on the custom this thing to change to ultra, and then save into your gallery. This is very, very, very simple. So do have a wonderful time as you replicate